Today we're making chocolate Burfi bars from India, a stovetop fudge cut into rich bars. Prep time is 45 minutes and it makes 12 bars. Let's get cooking. First, let's check the ingredients. 200 grams of granulated sugar for the syrup, 120 milliliters of water to make the syrup, 60 grams of ghee plus 5 grams for greasing the pan, 200 grams of full-fat milk powder for a rich, fudgy base, 25 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder for deep chocolate flavor, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for a warm Indian aroma, 2 grams of fine salt to balance the sweetness, 30 grams of chopped roasted almonds for a crunchy topping. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Grease a 20-centimeter square pan with 5 grams of ghee and set it aside. Sift 200 grams of milk powder and 25 grams of cocoa into a bowl. Add 2 grams of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, then whisk until evenly combined. In a heavy saucepan, combine 200 grams of sugar and 120 milliliters of water. Stir to dissolve before turning on the heat. Bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the syrup reaches one-strain consistency. Add 60 grams of ghee to the boiling syrup and stir until it fully melts and turns glossy. Reduce the heat to low. Gradually add the dry mixture, 200 grams milk powder, 25 grams cocoa, 2 grams salt, and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Cook while stirring non-stop until the mixture thickens, becomes fudgy, and starts leaving the sides of the pan, about 4 to 6 minutes. Turn off the heat and keep stirring for 30 seconds to smooth the mixture and cool it slightly. Immediately pour the mixture into the prepared pan and spread it evenly with a spatula. Tap the pan a few times on the counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Sprinkle 30 grams of chopped roasted almonds evenly over the top and press them in lightly. Refrigerate for 30 minutes or let it set at room temperature for about 1 hour until firm. Run a knife around the edges, unmold onto a board, and cut into 12 even bars. Serve the chocolate Burfi bars at room temperature and store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Loved it. Hit like, subscribe for more quick sweets, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.